So we'll be doing a gluten-free dessert recipe, which is how to make a gluten-free chocolate cake. In this recipe, the ingredients are regular jowar flour. So this is not sprouted or treated in any way. This is just normal jowar flour, raw sugar or khand, some coconut oil, almond milk, cocoa powder, yogurt or plant-based yogurt, baking powder and vanilla essence. So these are the ingredients and we just need to mix them together. So first what we are going to do is we are going to sieve the jowar flour and one teaspoon of baking powder together. So this is mixed together. I'll quickly keep this aside. Now we'll mix the wet ingredients together. So for the wet ingredients, another thing that we needed to mix in this is the cocoa powder. So I'm just going to add the cocoa powder and just give it another sieve. We need to mix about 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the dry ingredients, the cocoa powder is also very important. So we'll just mix it together. What you can do is, if you forget, you can just re-sieve the whole thing together if you want to mix it well. I'm just going to give it one nice mix to make sure it's even. You can just whisk the whole thing together again. Yes, so this is mixed thoroughly. Now let's mix together the wet ingredients. Almond milk, yogurt, half cup each. We'll add the sugar to this as well. About 1 cup of sugar. One teaspoon of vanilla essence. And about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. We'll mix all the wet ingredients together well. That's okay. So now we're mixing the wet and dry ingredients together. So our batter is ready. This is the dripping batter consistency that we need to reach. We've mixed together the wet and dry ingredients. Now this is a pre-greased cake baking tin. I'm going to pour the batter in this. Just going to give it, we'll just give it a few quick taps and we'll put it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This is what your cake will look like. These are delicious, guilt-free, gluten-free, millet-based cakes, and you can bake them for any occasion without feeling a twinge of guilt about it. So do give it a try next time you have something special happening, and have it with whatever sides of choice. You can even frost this cake with whatever frosting you have, and it will taste delicious.